In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Logitech M186 mouse. The wireless Logitech mouse comes in this box. Here is a model number M186 and it comes with 3 years limited hardware warranty. And coming to the back, you can see the color Swift Grey and the price mentioned on the box is 1195, but you can get this mouse under 600. If you are on budget looking for a good wireless mouse, you can definitely consider Logitech M186 mouse. It is pretty good. If you want, I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. Inside you will get a manual. Here is a mouse. At the back you can see the model number M186 and it is made in China. Let's open the back. Let's remove this temporary paper and you will get a battery inside. And here is a wireless adapter. You need to insert this adapter to PC or laptop. Here you can see that here is the on off button. Let's close this. Let's peel the temporary sticker. I also have other Logitech wireless mouse. Compared to that, this model mouse is lighter. Here you can see the sound and the scrolling wheel has cuts like this, so that you can have proper grip. This is how the mouse looks in my hand. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Logitech M186 wireless mouse. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.